In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Gmail account for your child. By the end, you'll have a supervised account set up and ready to use with all the right protections in place. Start on a laptop and open your web browser, then go to gmail.com. On the main page, click Sign In. Don't click Create an account yet. This route ensures you'll see the child-friendly setup options. Once the sign-in screen appears, select Create Account and choose for My Child. When prompted, click Yes, continue to proceed. You'll begin by entering your child's first and last name, then click Next. On the following screen, add your child's date of birth and gender and click Next again. Use the correct birth date so Google can apply the appropriate experience for your child's age. Now choose the email address you want for your child and click Next. If the exact address you want isn't available, pick one of the suggestions or adjust it slightly. Create a strong password for the account, something memorable for your child, but secure. Use the Show Password option to double check it's correct, then click Next. You'll be asked for a phone number to verify the account. Enter your number and click Next. Check your phone for the verification message from Google, type the code you received, and click Next. This step helps secure the account and confirm that a trusted adult is setting it up. Next, enter a parent email address or phone number to manage and supervise your child's account. You can use your own Gmail address here. Tap Next and scroll through the information provided. Check the required terms and conditions boxes and click Agree. When prompted, enter your Gmail password to confirm parental consent, then click Next. Continue by scrolling down and clicking Next again to move forward. You'll see the parental verification section. Choose a verification method. For a quick and simple process, select SMS verification. Click Send, then check the incoming SMS from Google on your phone. Enter the verification code you receive and click Next. Finally, click Continue to finish setup. You'll be redirected to the Gmail inbox. This is your child's new Google account ready to use. From here, you can help your child sign in on their devices and adjust supervision settings as needed. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Gmail tips and tutorials.